Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I went from this to... Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Berryfae. Today I'm going to be doing my hair, or attempting, because I have somewhere to go. So here is a quick get ready with me. My sister braided my hair down last night for me. I forgot to tell her I was going to wear it in the middle part, so now I may not be able to. Here's the wig. This wig is from Amazon. I will leave the link below. This is it, just blow dried and freshly washed. I wore this same wig around Christmas time in 2021. So I'll insert a picture right here of me wearing the same wig. If you want details on the wig, it'll be in the description box. Again, it's from Amazon. So yeah, it's just a nice, you know, easy, beginner friendly type of wig. The hair quality is pretty good. I haven't experienced any type of shedding or anything. This is gonna be my second time wearing it. So yeah, I will leave all the info to the wig down below. So we're gonna just try to put this thing on because I got somewhere to be, y'all. My hair. Yeah, so it's been a little minute. The date is June 30th. Tomorrow is the 1st of July. I am heading to Miami to go celebrate my good sis Anasia. It's going to be her birthday. We are about to go celebrate her. I'm gonna start off with some got to be on my real head. Yeah, we're about to go celebrate her in Miami. I actually should probably try to do a glueless install because I don't think I really want to wear this wig for a really long time. Then again, my birthday is coming up. I don't know when this video is gonna go out because I be taking a long time to edit. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it takes a while for me to edit something that was kind of like done a while ago. But yeah, what happened to my power strip? This wig stand I got from Amazon too. And it came with so many things. It came with these. It came with needle and thread to do a sew-in, which was really nice. I actually did tell myself I wanted to start learning how to do my own sew-ins. Kind of crazy, but yeah, it came with some thread. It came with hair clips, which I always like to get because, you know, parts that go on here. So this wig head came on this tripod. The tripod can obviously get bigger. This little comb. But yeah, I actually really liked that it came with so many different things. Like, that was really nice because they could have just gave you, the wig head and the stand, but it came with a lot of stuff. And I will link that down below as well if you are in the hunt for a wig head or a mannequin head. But yeah, I really like that it came with these pens so I can, pin it down. What it's giving. I need to take this off for a second because it's just making me hot. Okay, Bobbiana, this thing is so short. Oh, I don't remember it being so short. Yeah, I don't think I can wear it in a middle part because obviously my hair is not parted in the middle. It would probably have to be a little side part, and I'll just do like a little bang thing here, which is fine because I don't mind wearing it differently. So yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna do the quick little part here. I'm gonna have to be right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to part it right there. Go. Do I need to do a cap and all that? Can I do this my way? Like, can I not do all the extra? I wonder. Or should I just do what I think I should do? Let me just put the cap on because it's not gonna stay on my head without glue in this climate because it has been super hot lately in these Florida streets. This is what I'd be seeing that girl do. So. The maintenance. Y'all, the maintenance guy is in the window. Oh my god. Let me hide. Okay, I'm gonna tie that down. Oh, what a mess. Cut this thing. I finally just found my band after putting my edge wrap on. It's okay. Little eyebrow razor. Okay, we getting somewhere. This is where I always mess up. Why is my hair still out right there? I'm really considering doing glueless because this is my hair. That's how people be losing the edges. All right, let's just see what it's gonna be given. Keep cutting. Should I try glueless out out here? Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the here. So this stops here and then cutting here. This stops here. Alright, I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Let me figure out what I'm doing. And I got part of it right here. Part of it here. This is what we need to look like right here. Right here, yeah. See that? That doesn't look too bad. Well, besides that. But the lace right there. Should I do? Wait, am I supposed to like put like my powder on it? I'll be back, y'all. I need to. All right, so it's been a few minutes now, and I think we're just a little bit better than we were before. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to put just a little bit of glue, maybe one layer minimum. I just already did one layer of spray, so I'm gonna do now one layer of glue and try that. I really am scared to lose my edges, so yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's best that we just do one layer. And also this is a temporary hairstyle, so all right, here goes one side. All right, next side. Again, I'm only doing one layer of glue. And it may not be laid down professionally. I think it's really just all about how I decide to style, you know. Whatever doesn't get laid down with glue, spray. This part is a little bit my hair sticking out, so I kind of skipped over that. Like I can see my hair, so we ain't doing that. All right, we've got it down. We want to spray, you know, we can completely lay it down. It starts to look cute. It starts to look cute. I need to hurry up though because it's already 3:30. Gosh. I didn't even do my makeup. Alright, now it's like time to go quick. Did I try on my outfit? I think I'm gonna wear that green outfit from Shein. Alright, we need to get going quick while I'm waiting for that to get hot. Maybe I should start on my makeup. I like the push back look, but I can't do it with this because my hair is not like, my hairline isn't like perfect, so it's gonna be no. Okay, got my wax stick ready with these scissors. So we need to work on getting this part flat. So I'm gonna start waxing from here. No, it's not too far. I need to get like a super, ooh, I was gonna say a super hot one, but it still is hot, but I need one that's like really good, you know, like extremely flat. Okay, see that big old bump right there? Gotta go. That thing getting flat. This and then over. Y'all see it? Oh yeah. Did I really just do that? All right, let me work. Yes, I'm gonna leave it just like that, like kind of parted, but not parted, but parted. Like, yeah. That thing is looking good. Look at that flat. Okay. Yeah. So now let's add some body to the hair. I need to feel a little bit of stiff. So I'm just gonna try to fluff it. Let me try to fluff it up first. Just hoping I take this band off. It's cute under there. I really think I need my other flat iron, but we're gonna stop right there for now. Let's just take the band off to check what all is going on, and then I'm gonna do my edges. Look at that. All right, now it's time to clean this up. So get my alcohol and just wipe off all that extra. I don't think I did bad. I think I did pretty good compared to the last time. I think I did pretty good, y'all. What y'all think? All right, it's gonna look even better once my makeup is done, and I'm gonna show y'all the full, you know, after. But whew, that alcohol. But I think it looks pretty good. I like that. All right, y'all, I am gonna go do my makeup. I can't do it on camera because I'm running out of memory and I need to move faster, but we're gonna come in the video out with my makeup and my outfit, and then yeah, so I'll see you in the next clip. All right, you guys, so we are done with everything. I am not gonna have time to do my video like right now, but here is the outfit. This two-piece set is from Shein. It's a skirt and a top that ties here, but I love this so much, and I did a pop of green. Here's the makeup, here's the hair. It looks so cute. I did good. Yes, I did. Okay, bag, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna carry my Gucci bag. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. Heels. Let's find some shoes. Alright, so I'm having a hard time finding the shoes if I want to wear this Gucci bag, and I need to go because my bag is black, but I don't want to wear black shoes. Ooh, I gotta take a nice picture before I sweat. I do have these gold shoes. These are probably the only other one I think fit. They do, but this is the only thing that's gonna go appropriately with this gold shoes. It is. I'm just gonna bring my sandals. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take my camera with me. Let's see how much memory I have first. But y'all, this makeup is so pretty. I'm gonna show y'all again.